All-purpose. The term all-purpose is used to describe something that is versatile and can be used for many different purposes or functions. It implies that the thing in question is suitable or applicable for a wide range of uses or situations. Here are a few examples to help illustrate the meaning of all-purpose. 1. All-purpose cleaner. This is a type of cleaning product that is designed to be effective on various surfaces and materials. It can be used to clean countertops, floors, appliances, and even bathroom fixtures. Its versatility makes it useful for different cleaning tasks around the house. 2. All-purpose flour. This is a type of flour that is commonly used in cooking and baking. It is called all-purpose because it can be used for a wide range of recipes, including bread, cakes, cookies, and pastries. It is a versatile ingredient that provides a good balance of protein and starch, making it suitable for many different culinary applications. 3. All-purpose tool. This refers to a tool that can serve multiple functions or tasks. For example, a Swiss Army knife is often considered an all-purpose tool because it contains various blades, screwdrivers, and other tools that can be used in different situations. It is a convenient and versatile tool that can be helpful in a variety of scenarios. 4. All-purpose vehicle, APV. This term is used to describe a type of vehicle that is designed to be versatile and adaptable for different purposes. For instance, a SUV, sports utility vehicle, is often considered an all-purpose vehicle because it can be used for daily commuting, off-road adventures, and even for hauling or towing. Its design and capabilities make it suitable for a wide range of uses. In summary, all-purpose refers to something that is versatile and can be used for various purposes or functions. It implies adaptability and suitability in different situations.